How do you define an end-to-end AI platform blueprint for context graph and agent modules?
How define our end-to-end blueprint as a starting with outcomes, then to on mapping modules to measurable data or orchestration contracts. For a section need context graph, I first clarify what truth looks like. Entities, relationships, provenance, and lifecycle of knowledge as enterprises ingest systems, user stories, or source code. Next, I translate requirements into module level responsibilities. How connectors normalize data, how the context graph stores it, how event orchestration triggers re indexing and consistency checks, and how agent development consumes graph plus retrieved context. I ensure every module has clear inputs/outputs, versioning strategy, and failure semantics. I also set transformation guidelines early. What the say informations are required for retrieval, how I will derive metadata for citations, and which fields must support compliance on audit trails. As my GenAI programs, I've managed conversational flows using Azure OpenAI or unconnected downstream actions to business KPIs. So I'm disciplined about aligning architecture to decisions on user workflows. To keep integrity across modules, I lead solution reviews and drive trade offs across engineering and product. I use LAN operating model A, architecture decision records, interface contracts, and observability first design. For example, I ensured prompts, embeddings/retrieval parameters, or at agent tool calls are traceable and testable like any other SDLC artifact. Finally, I include rollout strategy, POCs for emerging capabilities, production readiness gates, and feedback loops from client implementations into platform patterns, so the blueprint evolves with real usage, risks, and costs.